All right. So thank you very much, Dr. Abnett, for that exciting and interesting talk. And I'm really happy that someone brought up the microbiome, because many of you know that's actually my day job. So it is with our deepest thanks and most sincere admiration for your creative and committed efforts that we give our closing words today. You've heard from cancer researchers, advocates, device developers, statisticians, physicians, and economists. We've learned that the problems that we face in establishing equitable, fair, and excellent cancer and palliative care are many, but we as a community are really capable of amazing things when we work together. I want to particularly thank the Journal of Global Oncology and ASCO publication. Most of the abstracts that are actually featured here today will be published for the first time in the JGO, and that should be available in the coming weeks. This is a fantastic way to showcase the early results of a lot of the young and seasoned investigators within this field with the larger community. I especially want to thank 4 very, very special individuals. One who is not here, Brenda Kostelecki from the NCI-CGH. She helped to co-organize this event with Katherine and myself. But really none of this could have been possible without Katya Tkachenko, Tulika Singh, and Katrina Deerdorf. And so I just want them to stand up so that we can give them a round of applause. So if this day seemed like it went off smoothly, it was because of them, because I assure you it did not. They've really, really done a wonderful job of making this an outstanding event for all of us. I want to thank all of the faculty and the trainees who are here. I encourage you at the upcoming event to actually meet one another. This is your event. We're excited about next year's CUGH that'll happen in Washington, D.C. in the preceding Global Cancer Research Symposium. To that end, if you can fill out the green surveys that are on your tables, it would be incredibly helpful to us as we think about planning for the next year's symposium. I also personally want to thank all of the UCSF, Stanford, and Go volunteers who served to help us with registration, microphones, organizing this event, getting people hotels, so on and so forth. I'm very excited to see you all next year and look forward to learning from each and every one of you. On a personal note of thanks, I wanted to thank Franklin Huang, my co-founder from Go. We've been working together for years. He's one of my closest friends and has been a constant inspiration in this work. All of our Go volunteers who are here, Bev Mitchell and Alan Ashworth, our 2 Cancer Center directors, who, as we work together closely and made it a commitment to not only support the symposium, but to be here today. Donna Remen from Go, Alex Marshall, who put together this amazing symposium booklet that you have in front of us. I certainly couldn't have done that. And last but definitely not least, Katherine Van Loon.
Thanks, Ami. So I'm leaving here today with 2 take-homes, and I think Alan Ashworth highlighted them this morning, but the first is innovation, and I think we've seen really amazing talent and technology presented today, and I want to extend a special thank you to our demo presenters. This was a new addition this year to add an abstract category, and I want you to thank you especially for your leap of faith and blind trust in our idea to expand to include this year. I think it was actually a really amazing turnout. And the second is collaboration. I'm willing actually to go on record, and there's a video camera in the back of the room, and say that I liked working with the Stanford team. Speaking of the videography, this is actually a new addition. I think in the vein of extending the collaboration and the network of this meeting, we've videotaped the sessions today, and we're hoping to post these videos to be able to reach a broader audience. We've had amazing representation from a variety of sectors, and I'm hopeful and enthusiastic about the opportunities for enhanced collaboration that will come out of today's symposium. And we're going to facilitate that now with some alcohol. So we are migrating to the Eno Wine Bar, which is just a block away, to serve some California vintage. Just a few announcements about this event. If you haven't gotten your red bracelet, get one at the door. And if you're under 21, you need a yellow bracelet. You're going to have some balloons that are spread around the room at the wine bar. And we're highlighting a variety of geographic destinations, content areas, and disease areas to help you find like-minded individuals and start conversations. And finally, we're in the event space until 8 p.m., so we encourage all of you guys to stop by. And again, thank you to all of the people that helped us throw this together today.